Here, I'll show you how to make this logo or button. Now I'm going to use a built-in alpha to logo option, and I won't change any of the default settings in it. I'm going to keep this guide as simple as possible. So first, I create a new canvas. I click on File, New, and I'll accept the default size. And now I'll do the text. So I click on my text tool, and I'm going to click on the double A's to change the font, and I'm changing it to Sans Bold. And I'll change the size of the text to 80. So I'll just click on my canvas and I'll type in my username. And now I want to put my text onto a full-sized layer. So I'll go to my Layers panel, and at the bottom of it I will click on the button Create a New Layer. And I check that it's going to be a transparency and then click OK. And now I right-click on that layer in the Layers panel, and I left-click on Merge Down. So next I go to Filters in the menu bar and click on it, and come down to Alpha to Logo, slide my cursor across and down, and click on Chrome. Now if the dialog box does not appear on top of the project, an icon or button for it is probably somewhere else on your screen. Now in my case I've got Windows 7, and I can see that it's flashing down in my taskbar. And I just click on it, and the dialog box appears on top of my project. And as I said, I'm going to leave the default settings exactly as they are and just click OK. So now I'll get rid of the excess background. I'll go to my Layers panel and click on the background layer to select it. And then in my toolbox I'm going to click on the Rectangle Select tool. And come down and click on Rounded Corners. And I'll increase the radius to about 10. And now I'll drag out a rectangle around my text. And then I go to Edit in the menu bar and click on it, and come down and click on Stroke Selection. And I'll just click Stroke, and then I'll deselect it to stop the marching ants, so I go Select and None. And now to remove the extra canvas that we don't want, I simply click on Image and come down to Auto Crop Image, and there you have it. So I hope that made sense, but if you've got any problems or suggestions, please just leave a comment.